So back in July, this stock fell almost 50% over the course of a couple days after a citizen petition was filed with the FDA claiming some shocking things about this company and their biotech research on Alzheimer's. We're going to talk about Cassava Sciences in this video because the volatility on this stock is absolutely crazy, and I'm wondering if it's a buying opportunity again, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. We're going to talk about Cassava Sciences. Guys, if volatility isn't your thing, stay away from this stock because it is absolutely crazy the swings we see in this stock. Like I said, back in July, a citizen petition was filed with the FDA claiming that Cassava Sciences was fudging their numbers. The lab that they were working with isn't reputable. It was some big shocking news that we still don't know if those things are true or not. So it was kind of troublesome. But from all-time highs of like $150 almost, this stock fell drastically down to like $70 over the course of a couple days. It fell like 50%. And then over the course of the next couple weeks, it went from around $70 up to $120 some. So it ended up being a buying opportunity. However, if you take a peek at the charts here, guys, here was that drastic fall back in July over the course of a couple days from $135 down to $70, and then it ran back up to over $120 before falling all the way down into the 40s, the low 40s, like $42 back here just a couple weeks ago. Now, it is up 50% from those lows already over the past month. So what the heck is going on? So for those not following the Cassava roller coaster ride, the stock's rise has been built on the potential of its Alzheimer's disease treatment. Alzheimer's disease is notoriously a hard nut to crack, and this drug's results from the ongoing open label trial so far have shown much promise. Following 6 months, 9 months, and most recently a 12-month analysis, patients' cognitive behavior improved. A feat yet to be achieved by any other Alzheimer's treatment, any other treatment. The safety data has also been positive and acting as a further catalyst for phase 2 and phase 3 trials should kick off in the fourth quarter of this year. However, investors are now taking those results with a grain of salt after the company's method of data gathering and analysis have been put under the microscope following a citizen petition filed with the FDA claiming the results were bogus. So what are we to do as simple laymen not knowing anything about biotech investors? What are we supposed to do? We should probably take some advice from some of the experts. So we have Maxim's Jason McCarthy saying, look, the citizen petition is troublesome. It's impacting valuation, and it is an additional risk that investors should be mindful of. He believes that its outcome is not worth speculating on, as it is up to the regulators at this point to decide whether this petition has any merit. He goes on to say our views and outlook for the company are predicted on the factors around the drug, the programs, and the path forward to phase 3 trials. He also says that data generating all the attention is based on only 50 patients and an open label trial. However, the improvement in cognition at 6 months appears to be on track with what could be expected from this standard of care. McCarthy actually has a $190 price target on Cassava Sciences over the next 12 months. So he is extremely bullish, giving this a 180% upside. However, the overall analysts are saying, look, we're only giving it about a $147 price target, so they're expecting it to get back to those all-time highs. Now, this is a company, pre-revenue, okay? This is a company with high volatility. This is a company that if you invest in, you could lose a lot of money or you could gain a lot of money. This is a high-risk, high-reward potential stock, and if they are really doing what they say they're doing, if they do have these promising results and they go into phase 3 trials and eventually have a drug that's available for Alzheimer's patients and that improves cognitive ability, this is groundbreaking. It's game-changing. It really is, and that's why this stock is up 900% year to date. That's why. because there is no other drug out there that is doing what they are claiming to have done. So, what do you guys think about Cassava Sciences? Please let me know down in the comments. Is there more room for this to go? Is it going to go to $122? Or right now, if you actually take a peek at the charts, if you look at where this dotted line is right here, it's at a point of resistance. It's at the low point of where it fell to in July. So if it can break through this resistance, there's a good chance it's going to go higher. However, if it slows and it hits this resistance here tomorrow and it doesn't go any further, there's a really good chance it's going to fall back down into the 40s. Just from a technical perspective, my terrible technical analysis that I have. But it is really at strong resistance levels right now. We'll see. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video. I appreciate each and every single one of you. If you learned something new or found any value in this video at all, please let me know by hitting that subscribe button and the like button down below, and I'll see you in the next one.